How to make Pixar-style animation using AI, 100% free and fast. You've seen those Pixar-style animation channels racking up millions of views, like this channel creating fantasy, mystical videos, or this channel creating short AI artistic videos. You're probably thinking, that must take a huge team and an even bigger budget. The truth is you can do it alone. One person, a few free AI tools, and a couple of hours of work. Today, in just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to be your own movie studio. We're going to create high-quality animated characters, maintain perfect consistency across scenes, and animate them, all for free, using these 4 free tools. You can be your own hero in the age of AI and let your imagination fly. Are you ready to let your imagination fly? Let's go! Before we dive in, let's look at our production board. We have 4 simple steps. 1. The screenplay using ChatGPT to build a master prompt. 2. The concept art, using Google Gemini to create our characters. 3. The animation, using the Grok Automation extension to bring them to life. 4. The final cut, assembling it all in Clipchamp. If you need an AI voiceover, you can use Google AI Studio. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. The master prompt. The screenplay. Every great movie starts with a script. In AI filmmaking, we call this the master prompt. It handles your scenes, your style, and your consistency. In this tutorial, we're bringing the Swan Lake Ballet to life with a pair of animated roses. Feel free to swap this out for any theme you imagine. Our project will feature 9 distinct scenes, each running for about 10 seconds. I have put the master prompt in the description for you. Just copy that. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and insert your video topic. Hit generate, and in seconds you have a full scene-by-scene breakdown. Think of this as your digital call sheet. It tells us exactly what needs to happen in every shot. Step 2. Google Gemini. The concept art. Now we need visuals. Head over to Google Gemini. Select the Create Image option. We're going to take the prompts ChatGPT just gave us and paste them one by one. Because we used a master prompt, Gemini will keep our characters looking the same in every scene. Download your images and let's get moving. Step 3. Grok Automation. The animators. We're using the Grok Automation extension to turn these images into cinema. Log in to Grok and select Frame to Video. Upload your Gemini photos in order, Scene 1 to Scene 9. Go back to your ChatGPT results, copy the video prompts, and paste them into Grok. Separate multiple prompts with a blank line. Each image will be processes with each prompt. Hit run. Grok will match your descriptions to your images perfectly. Grab a coffee, and when you come back, the extension will have automatically downloaded all your clips into a folder for you. It's like having an entire animation department in your browser. Step 4. Clipchamp. The edit bay. Finally, let's head into Clipchamp to assemble our masterpiece. Follow steps 1 to 3, as I indicated here, which are: push import media, import your 9 videos, import the Swan Lake music. Then, Drag your 9 clips onto the timeline. Drop the Swan Lake audio track right underneath. To make it look nice, add a crossfade transition between your clips. Want a smooth ending? Head to the Music tab on the left and select your audio timeline. From there, hit the Fade button on the right and choose how many seconds you'd like the sound to taper off. And just like that, voila! You have a Pixar-style AI video ready for YouTube, TikTok, or the big screen. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments, what story are you going to tell first? Enjoy the video you just created.